What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Trader Nick. Today I'm going to be talking about how to use finviz.com for all of your scanning needs in the financial markets. My name is Trader Nick. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also like the video if this is helpful to you. Again, I make all sorts of trading educational content here on YouTube, so if it is helpful to you, make sure you stick around for future videos. Today we're going to be talking about, as I mentioned, finviz.com. This is a super useful website. I use it myself all the time to scan all the different markets. You can do Forex, you can do stocks, you can do crypto, all of that good stuff for free here on the site. Let me get into some of the ways that I like to use it personally. Here, looking at the front page, what you can see is you can actually track the major US stock markets just off the start here. You can see the S&P 500, NASDAQ, Dow, all of that good stuff available to you kind of just at a first glance. You also have just general other information like the advancing and declining stocks in the US market, stocks making the new highs, above or below this a simple moving average, 50 period moving average, the 200 moving average, all of that good stuff that's super useful. Now for Forex traders, you also have, if you go to the Forex tab here, you can click that and that will show you some of the major market movements for the different currency pairs. For example, you have the euro not really moving today, but you have things like dollar Swiss moving to the upside today, making a move upwards, right? So that is a quick scan that you can do. You can also see crude oil down a lot. This is going to allow you to quickly scan the market. You also get this panel down here, which is super useful. If I get rid of some of the advertisements, you will see that we have kind of a scan across the board. You can see the yen being very, very bullish today, the Swiss very, very negative, right? So just generally a very good scanning tool for Forex. You also get a chance to use futures, right? You can see all the Dow Jones, right? You have the S&P 500, the NASDAQ. You also get a scan of the VIX. You can see the VIX moving really, really up today. And you get all sorts of scans like that available here on finviz.com. You also get this awesome kind of gauge across the board of everything. You can also see some of the currencies, soybeans, oil, corn, all of the major futures there as well. Now, as far as the crypto section, you can also see here some of the major cryptocurrencies available that you can take a look at quickly with this scanner. So super useful overall, guys. Just a quick tool there. Hopefully it was helpful to you. Again, if you trade stocks, this thing is super useful, and also useful if you're a Forex trader or a crypto trader as well. It also has futures and all the different things that you could possibly want. You also, really quick, if we go into the screener section, for those of you who do trade stocks, you could also look for all different types of specific searches. For example, like let's say that you want a stock with a dividend that has a high percentage, right, over 5%. You can quickly scan all of the US stock market stocks that have a dividend of excess of 5%. So just super useful for looking for all that sort of stuff. I'm sure there's a way you can also scan currencies and other things like that if you have an interest in that. I have not gone too deep into looking at this for currencies, but as far as stocks and cryptocurrencies go, this is a super useful tool for traders. Again, we can also take a look at the map section, kind of break down the overall S&P, all the major news, or all the major news is going to be included on finviz.com, but also all the major movements will be showing up here. You can see separated by categories and all sorts of other useful information. Overall, guys, I hope this video was really helpful to you. If it was, again, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also like the video. Show myself and others that this video was helpful to you. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we will see you on the next one.